The situation unfolding in Nigeria today, particularly concerning the Enugu State Governorship Election Tribunal, can be characterized as a troubling validation of forgery. It's deeply concerning that despite compelling evidence of certificate forgery and the National Youth Service Corps, NYSC, disowning the document submitted by Peter Mbah to the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, the tribunal has taken a perplexing stance. Rather than addressing the core issue of forgery, the judges have diverted attention by arguing that possessing an NYSC certificate is not a requirement for contesting the governorship. This diversion misses the point entirely. The central concern is not whether an NYSC certificate is mandatory, but whether Mr. Mbah presented a forged certificate. Another perplexing aspect of this situation is the tribunal's insistence that one must produce the original certificate to prove forgery. This requirement presents a significant challenge when the original document is either non-existent or unavailable, as in Peter Mbah's case, where the NYSC testified that no such record existed. This ruling raises serious questions about the tribunal's grasp of practicality. It's crucial to note that Mr. Mbah was not obligated to submit his NYSC certificate when filing his candidacy. The minimum requirement is a secondary school certificate, although politicians often strive to present their highest educational qualifications for a competitive edge. Even if someone submits only a school certificate, they cannot be disqualified, as INEC can determine its equivalence. For those unfamiliar with the backstory, Peter Mbah was called for national youth service in the mid-2000s, but accepted a political appointment by the governor of Enugu State, which violated the law prohibiting simultaneous employment. He failed to complete his NYSC service until he decided to run for governor, at which point he submitted a forged certificate to INEC. The petitioner, Chidioke Edioga of the Labour Party, presented this evidence in court, but the tribunal's decision to dismiss it as non-essential is baffling. The inconsistencies in the tribunal's judgments are glaring and raise questions about double standards. In a different case in Katsina, a candidate was disqualified for presenting a forged primary school certificate, which was not even a requirement for the position. The same Electoral Act and Nigerian Constitution were cited, but different judgments were delivered. This inconsistency erodes confidence in the justice system. Equally perplexing is the Tribunal's justification for rejecting evidence of overvoting in the Kanu East local government area, citing the absence of party agents' signatures and missing ballot stamps. If these are indeed prerequisites for valid results, why were the results accepted in the first place? The Electoral Act is clear that a lack of political party agent signatures does not invalidate results. The apparent inconsistencies and questionable decisions from the tribunal are deeply troubling. Even if they intend to deliver a fraudulent judgment, it should at least be consistent. Observers are left wondering why different interpretations of the same Electoral Act and the 1999 Constitution exist. The implications of someone willing to resort to certificate forgery are grave. One can only imagine what such an individual might do with the state's resources if entrusted with power. Nigeria boasts numerous talented individuals, both at home and abroad, who could manage affairs more effectively. When these capable individuals are given the opportunity, the people stand to benefit, as they are likely to manage resources judiciously. It's disheartening to witness judges openly validating fraud without hesitation. The Constitution unequivocally states that no one should forge a certificate, and it is troubling that these judges are making excuses for such misconduct. This situation raises important questions about the integrity of the legal system and the need for consistent and fair interpretation of the law. If you are watching our video for the first time, I suggest you subscribe to our channel for more interesting and captivating information. Turn on the bell notification to get alert on all our recent posts so you won't miss out any. Share your thought in the comment section and share these videos with family, friends, and concerned Nigerians. Thanks for watching.